Finding the best juicer has been one of the challenging moments for the juice lover, just like myself. Welcome back, guys. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. I want to say a very big thank you to anybody who has been supporting me from day one, who has been here with me. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so very much. And we made it to 10K. Congratulations to all of us. So if you're seeing my channel, or if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. Here is Rema Healthy Way. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I'm doing an unboxing and a product review of this new juicer. If I've been following me for some time, you know that I've been looking for a juicer to replace my Bosch slow juicer that got spoiled some time back, some months ago. Yes, and you all know how I've been so worried, about this particular juicer from Bosch because I really love the juicer, and it got spoiled just like that without any trouble. It just didn't work again for me. And so on my search online, though it has been tough, as a juice lover, it has not been cool with me because I've been just checking which one is going to be the best without even considering the price or anything. And sometimes you just ask yourself, if you get the expensive juicer, how is it going to be? Is it still going to last you for about 5 years, or it's also going to do the same thing? I mean, just keep mute around 2 years. So on my search, I saw this and it came with a reasonable price. So this juicer is called Klarstein Fruitberry slow juicer. It's actually a masticating juicer, and if you have been following me, you know I love masticating juicers because it doesn't deprive me of my nutrients, okay? And it also doesn't get my juice hot. I mean hot, and it's just perfect. So so far, or so long as I don't lose the nutritional values of the juices that I made, I stick with masticating juices, right? Okay, so if you ask me, after assembling this juicer, I'm just going to fix it right back. And this is the juicer cap. I love it. It looks nice. It looks beautiful. Everybody wants to have something that looks nice and beautiful, but it should be I mean, it should be quality, okay, and it should last a little bit longer. Not, I mean, yes. So to fix this is very simple, okay. There is something that you just have to hook it, and boom, it's just fixed. So there is nothing difficult about this juicer, if you ask me. And the outer layer, we can see that that's a stainless steel. It's also perfect, but it's with this kind of stainless steel, if your hands are wet and all that and you touch it, it's really, you have to clean it, but that shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, so I'm going to fix it. And fortunately, or unfortunately, should I say, this is not a multifunctional juicer. This is just for fruits and vegetables, and it came with a manual book, of course. And from the manual book, it says that if you want to juice, you have to cut your your vegetables or your fruit into smaller sizes, not that small, but reasonable sizes, I mean. And you don't want to choke your filter or anything like that. So that is that. You have to check the sizes that you are putting over here. And yeah, so from here you can see the signs under this bowls, where to fix it and where not to. And this is my filter, and like I said, it's not a multi functional juicer. It came with only one filter, which is for only fruit and veggies. Yeah. So apart from that, nothing else. You are not allowed to put anything like sugar cane inside this. It doesn't work. And this failing tube also is just perfect. This place, you cannot just open it. It's for your temper, and yeah, it's for your temper stick, and you don't have to do anything over there. Okay. For example, maybe you want to put something like carrots, you can put it through that place, and that is okay. So to fix your filling tube, you have to check from above where I just show you, and it's so simple to fix. And if you ask me, it's just a great juicer, and I can't say anything bad about this juicer at this point. But am I going to keep it? That's the question. All right. So this is filled, everything is just ready, and I'm going to try this for us to see. But then if you are a juice lover watching me, considering to get the best or a perfect juicer, okay, when you are looking for videos online or checking online for any kind of juicer at all, you want to make sure that you check that if the juicer has been used to juice any hard vegetables, something like celery or carrots. You want to check this and see the pulp to know whether it's dry, moist, or it's just coming out looking shredded and grated and all that, which is very important. You have to note that, because for me, when I'm considering a new juicer, all I look out for, if the juicer can juice carrots and celery, hard vegetables, then I know that I'm in for it. Okay. And the pulp is very important, and how much the quantity of juice that I'm going to get. For instance, like right now, I'm going to juice one red apple. So how much juice am I going to gain from juicing one apple? And how is the pulp going to be? So at this point, you can just see that the pulp came out so perfect. If you ask me, just perfect and dry. Not as dry as not as dry as dry, but with every perfect juicer, this is just okay. If you ask me, this is from my experience, from the numerous juices that I've used from different brands. If you ask me, I'm a juice lover, so yeah, I think it really did justice to this apple. Okay, and from only one apple, I think the juice that came out is just okay. It's normal, it's perfect. Okay, it's just perfect as compared to other juices. How much juice that you are going to get from only one apple, right? Okay, so then, like I said, I'm going to show you how it's going to juice um carrots. All right, don't worry, this is just for presentation purposes. So every ingredient you see me juice over here is not clean or wash or anything, just to show you how it is. Yeah, and I'm not going to drink it at the end of the day because it's so let me just show you how the pulp is looking. So this is it, and it's just like what I'm looking for, just perfect. Okay, it's really juiced out, so you can see how much juice I got from only two small carrots. It's a lot. If you ask me, it's just a lot. Okay, to compare to other juices I've used or I've known, it's just perfect. And so when you talk about tomatoes, I try to use this with tomatoes because it's a soft vegetable, and just look at it. Every other juicer I have used, I mean, this is just okay. And it's normal when it juices tomatoes. If you ask me, it's just normal. So, guys, if you're still watching me at this point and you have not subscribed already, kindly click on that subscribe button. You would want to be part of this wonderful family, and I will be happy to have you here as one of Marima fam. And I want you to know that you are well appreciated. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram. You can as well follow me on Facebook, and I am also on WhatsApp. So check me out on my WhatsApp channel and don't forget to follow. All right. There are more things that are coming your way. So thank you very much and you are warmly welcome. Okay, guys. So at this point, I've gotten a lot of juice over here. Okay, a lot. And so the pulp says it all. This is the pulp from everything that I juiced. And I really appreciate Klarstein because this is a great work, all right, considering the fact that this juices so well and the price very affordable. This is about 100 and I got it about 157 euros, and I think it has been reduced now. You can get it around 124, something like this. So you are free to check it out, and I hope this video helps. So one challenge that I see with this juicer, it could be my own fault, all right, but then let me try to show you something about emergency cleaning. Let's see if it's work. So say you have juiced and you cannot clean it right away. Is this emergency cleaning going to work? All right, so if you ask me, I think it's going to work about 30%. All right, it's just about 30%, but you can't clean the snail. You can't also clean the filter that well, but you can clean the bowl very nicely, and that is just okay. So you can't leave this for the next day before you clean it. No, you just clean it maybe about 30 minutes or 1 hour later. Okay, so I used pineapple, and ask me, like, this is so perfect. It's the pineapple juice came out perfect, so delicious, and I used 2 pineapples and I got close to 1000 ml. Okay, close to 1 liter. And the only challenge I had here was the pulp. Okay, the pulp, it just got stuck. It wouldn't come down, and I got only a little pulp over here. That's what you see. And I was just like, this is not funny. So I decided to read more into it from the manual book, and it says that I need to cut my vegetables and fruits like into small sizes, okay, and then keep place them in accordingly. But I think I was just rushing it, and that was the end result. I hope this video helped, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and staying with me for this long. I really appreciate, and I hope this is going to help you. Until I come your way